Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Crompton Trans Air exhaust fan. This is 225mm 9 inches. So look at the box. These are the specifications. The price is 1980, but here in your local stores you'll obviously get the discount. This fan is manufactured in October 2019, 9 inches. So this is the information, the Trans Air fan. This is the specifications. As you can see, the double ball bearings, high performance, hub base design, bird screen for protection, epoxy powder coated finish. So this fan comes in 6 inch, 9 inch and 12 inch. So I'm not going to be using the bird screen because my place it's actually a wood piece, so that's not cut out to fix the bird screen. So I'll have to remove that. Let's unbox the fan. So guys, this is the exhaust. As you can see, this is the warranty card, Trans Air instruction. This is the Trans Air 6 inches in the picture. Looks like they changed the warranty card a bit. So these are all the instructions and everything. You can see Crompton logo, Trans Air 9. This is the power cord. So now they are giving soldered connections as well. Earthing is your option. If you want, you can give it. And this is the blade. Good quality, not bad. This is the bird screen. You can see the blades are of heavy duty, awesome quality, not easy to bend at all. So you can see how the hub is balanced, and this is the hub base design, as you can see. So now let's test the fan. Test the fan. Slight head rotation. Nice fan. So fan is switching off. That sound is in the quarter pin. Normally it's common. So now, as I don't require the bird screen at my place right now, we'll remove it. So guys, this is the fan without the bird screen. As you can see, I've twisted the quarter pin so it makes minimum noise. Now let's switch on the fan. Just plug it in. Some problem with my noiseless operation. So now let's go and install the fan.
Let me show you guys around the fan before I install it. That's the label, Trans Air 9, 1400 RPM, 50 Hz, 45 watts. So the serial number has been moved from the label to a separate sticker. So you can see the build quality of the blades. This is the new placing of the serial number, and that are the 4 bolts that hold the body. This is the Crompton logo, you can see. That's the earth screw. these four bolts of the body, they also have a significance. Previous transers didn't have that externally, they had that internally. My transer 9 inches, the older one, 2015, and the 2017 12 inch have 3 of those screws. So that's some funda with the 3 or 4 screws, but altogether exhaust fan is really well built, strong quality, best for kitchen and bathrooms. So let's install the fan.
Guys, the exhaust is installed, as you can see. Let's power it on. Noiseless operation. I'll show you the fan working from outside.
As you guys have seen the working of the fan, and you have seen the quality as well, sturdy, built to last. These fans have been there in the market since 1980s. Crompton Transair, really strong fans, built to last. Even the 1990s fans are working till today. And Crompton Transair is the best exhaust fan in the market, best for its price. You can buy this instead of going for Usha, Havells, Orient, Bajaj, or other brands which don't have any market value, and also quality is really bad. They don't survive 2 to 3 years, whereas these Crompton Transits, they're built to last. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.